Hello friends, in this video we are going to talk about Teddyswap, which is a Cardano decentralized exchange. So before we start the video, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps my channel grow. So we are on their website Teddyswap, and we will go ahead and launch this app over here. So basically there are less options as compared to MinSwap on Teddyswap. So if you check, I have already got my wallet connected, which is Eternal Wallet. So, for those who don't know, Eternal Wallet is a Cardano community wallet. If you don't have it, you can simply go ahead and download the Chrome extension over here. I have close to 49 ADA because it was close to 50, but I have transferred some for a Cardano based NFT game which I play, which is called as Mokosi Planet. And as you can see, the total value locked is close to 1.77 million ADA with a 24-hour volume of 24,000 data. So the volume on this decentralized exchange is pretty low as of now, and they have two options. So one is to trade. So as you can see, you can swap your ADA token with any other Cardano based token. So they have got options of IBTC, IUSD. So basically, these are IUSD is a stable coin, and I think they have been generated on the Cardano blockchain using, I forgot the name. I think it's Indigo protocol. Yeah, with using Indigo protocol. And then there is this Snake token, which is a meme token. Lenfi is there, which is a lending and a borrowing protocol, and they have their own decentralized token, which is Teddyswap. So let's take an example. If you want to buy this meme token, which is Snake, and let's say if you want to buy it for 10 ADA. So as you can see, there is a slippage of 1.6%. This is because there is a pretty low liquidity on this decentralized exchange for now. Not many users are there. And let's take an example of one ADA. So as you can see, the price impact has drastically reduced. If we talk about 1,000, then there is a price difference of 61.99, which is close to 62%. So as you can see, they have given a warning. This swap could lead to a potential losses because of the liquidity being pretty low. So I wouldn't suggest is buying snake tokens on Teddy swap because of the low liquidity. Now if we go and change this to, let's say, their token, so as you can see, the price impact is pretty low. So this is a good place to buy Teddy tokens, as you can see, because the estimated difference between the USD value input and output is pretty low. And then you will have to pay a fee, so which would be like 1.5 to 1.8 ADA, which is comparatively very low as compared to the Ethereum blockchain, because Ethereum the gas fees are huge, and that's the reason why I don't use Ethereum anymore. Now, since I don't have sufficient ADA in my Eternal wallet over here, that's why it's showing insufficient wallet, insufficient balance. If you have the sufficient balance, simply go ahead and click over here and swap the token. So your ADA would be converted into Teddy. Now, if we talk about the liquidity, there are liquidity pairs over here, as you can see, which is ADA to Cherry, ADA to Teddy, and this is the total annual returns, which is like 4.02%, which is pretty less for now, and this is the total value locked. So the highest one is like ADA to Cherry, as you can see, 721,000 ADA are locked over here. So what you have to do is you can go ahead and provide the liquidity where you will be getting the liquidity tokens. So basically this is swap, and if you click over here, add liquidity, so what happens is like this LP tokens are basically a receipt that you have provided liquidity on the decentralized exchange, and in return you will be getting this APR, which is like extra bonus. So I won't recommend doing this for a very high risk tokens where the prices fluctuates a lot, because there is a chance that you might end up making losses over here. So go for something stable like IUSD, for example. But Once again, the total value locked is like pretty low, only 2.16 ADA. So the liquidity here is a issue. So do your own research as to what is the best liquidity and what is the current APR and whether you can take the risk or not and add liquidity. So for now, there is only trade and liquidity option on Teddyswap. And friends, that's it for today's video. In case if you still have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.